The rest of the...
Once a year.
Something got dropped on the floor for you guys. Chew on. Oh goodness, something got dropped. Here's what we didn't eat. We all ate like pigs. That was before dinner. Cheese and crackers and 2 kinds of meat things. And then here's ham. This wonderful corn casserole. Dressing, cornbread dressing. Roasted vegetables.
There you go.
Mashed potatoes. Gravy. Rolls. Turkey. Happy people! Happy people! Oh, all over the place, and happy dogs. Happy dogs. Emmett! Hi, Emmett. Hi, give us a smile. Hey, Emmett, give us a smile. Oh, yeah, that's great.